The Great American Grader, with its unique and proprietary design, makes grading easy. If you can drive a tractor, pickup, or ATV, you can use this versatile equipment with little or no training. Just hook up the grader to the back of the towing vehicle, drive to the area you want to grade, lower it to the ground, and start pulling the grader to immediately loosen up and smooth the surface area. The Great American Grader can be used for several applications, including gravel roads, driveways and parking areas, horse arenas and racetracks, lawns, gardens and fields, pastures and ball fields. Redistribute displaced gravel, sand, or clumps of dirt or manure without leaving ridges. Also eliminate potholes and ruts. A special adjustable finishing blade can also be used to give a driveway or road a center crown to aid in water runoff and prevention of potholes. This single pass system is easy to operate and handle. It is American made with tough, durable steel frame and galvanized AR steel grading rings, and comes with a 1-year warranty. The Great American Grader comes with a 3-point Category 1 ASABE quick-hitch compatible configuration for tractors and larger machines, or a ball-hitch configuration with an electric or manual lift for trucks, ATVs, lawn tractors, or other utility vehicles. Accessories include an 84-inch scarifier attachment that breaks up tough, compacted material, and 3 expansion rings to increase grading width from 7 to 10 feet. Contact us today to find a dealer near you.